Good morning, students. How are you? Happy New Year, beta. Happy New Year to all of you. Yes, this is my first class after New Year with all of you. Due to some reasons, I was unable to take your class. So, that's very nice. Everyone, put your attendance. Okay, so let's start our class. Are you ready? Okay, Parinita has nodded her head so nicely. So sweet. And Nandini, let's start. Nandini is doing some exercise, sitting on the chair. Right, Nandini? Yes. Okay, let's start. So, today in sound senses, we are going to learn ing sound words. Okay, here comes ing sound words. So, here I'm going to give you some clues and you are going to tell me the answer. Very happy new year, beta. Brotin, happy new year to all of you. Okay, so very nice. Really, it was amazing to see on the Christmas Eve. All your photographs were so stunning, so cute. Those who have sent all the photographs, it was lovely. Okay, and I can remember Nandini in Bharat Mata. She was as Bharat Mata. Okay, very good. And Inakshi was very sweet banana. Ankita was also there. Very nice, very nice. Orgho was there. Okay, so let's start our class. Ing words. Now, if I say that there is a person who rules over a country, wear a crown on his head and sits on a throne, then who is that person? Very good, Nandini. Ayushman, little bit in hurry, please rectify your spelling. Yes, so Inakshi is also there, and Ayushman, little bit slowly, just type the correct spelling. Yes, very good, beta. So here comes the Satoki, Ritika, everyone has given the correct answer. This is the person who rules over the country, who wears a crown on his head and he sits on a throne. What do you mean by throne? Throne means Shingashon, right? So that person is known as king. That person is known as king. K-I-N-G. King. Now, if I say that this is an ornament, it is been worn in the fingers. This is an ornament, it is been worn in the finger. So, what it is? Very good, Tamujit. Very nice, Nandini. Very good, Ayushman. And rest all, Inakshi, Trishita, Orghu, Purinita, everyone has given the correct answer. It's ring. It's ring. So, let us write down the second word, that is ring. So, my students are so intelligent. With the help of a clue, they can give the answers, right? Now, what do singers do? What is the work of a singer? Yes, to sing. To sing. So, to sing. S-I-N-G. They sing the poem in a rhythmic order. They sing some lyrics in a rhythmic order, in some rhythm, and that is known as song. So singers sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. Very nice. Now, how can a bird move How can a bird move? Yes, birds move from one place to another. They fly with it. So that is known as wing. Very good, Inakshi. Very good, Brotin. Very good, Parinita, Trishita, Argho, Shugoto. Very good. So it is wing. W-I-N-G. Birds fly with their wing. Number 4. W-I-N-G. Wing. Next, if honeybee gives you one small kiss on your hand, then what it is called? What it is called? হ্যাঁ, যদি হানিবি একটু হাতে আদর করে দেয়, হানিবি হাতে আদর করে দেয়? হানিবিকে আদর করতে দাও হাতে? দাও? Yes or no? Yes. Nandini is telling yes. তাহলে নন্দিনী ওই আদরটা কেমন হয়? আদরটা খুব ভালো হয়, মিষ্টি মিষ্টি হয়, নাকি কষ্ট কষ্ট হয়? কোনটা? Which one? Is it very nice or it is painful? Is it very nice or painful? Okay, so no, কামড়ে দেয়. Yes, আয়ুষ্মান, right. হানিবি কামড়ে দেয়. তাহলে হানিবি কি সত্যি কামড়ে দেয়? নন্দিনী is telling খুব painful. Ma'am, I cannot hear. Shushoban, will you please disconnect the call and join me again, beta? Disconnect your call and join me again. Okay. So it is not at all lovable, it is painful, because honeybee when touches you কি করে? আদর করে? একটা সুন্দর করে যদি একটা হামি খেয়ে দেয়, তাহলে কি হবে? তুমি হাসবে না কাঁদবে? হাসবে না কাঁদবে? You will cry or you will laugh? What you will do? What you will do? Yes, we will all cry because honeybee sting. What do they do? Sting. ওদের honeybee কি করে? হুল ফুটিয়ে দেয়, আর ওই হুলটাকে কি বলা হয়? Sting. What it is called? Sting. S-T-I-N-G. Sting. Okay. তাহলে let us write down the new word S-T-I-N-G. Sting. Honeybee sting. Okay. Okay. Now, can you tell me, when we fly a kite, what helps your kite to fly in the sky? What helps your kite to fly in the sky? It's what it is? We fly kite in the sky. And what helps your kite to fly in the sky? No, Nandini, it is flying. Flying is action. It's the action, flying. But what helps your kite to fly in the sky? And no, kite doesn't have any wings. Tomojit, kite doesn't have any wings. Birds are having wings, but kite doesn't have any wings. It is having a tail, paper tail. So, who will tell that what helps the kite to fly in the sky? Can I wait for 1 minute for some answers? Let us see what my students are answering. Can I get the correct answer from my students? All my BMS champions are there. Tomujit, yes, air supports the kite to fly in the sky. Air supports the kite to fly in the sky. But air does not, with the help of air, it flies. It is the supporting part. But something, one more ing word is there which helps the kite to fly in the sky, and that is string. S-T-R-I-N-G. string, shuto. Okay. Yes. string, sting. Right? So string helps the kite to fly high in the sky. Right? Yes. And air supports it to fly in the sky. Now, what the new words we learned then? King, king, ing, king, ing, king. Ring. So, ing, ring, ing, ring. Next comes sing. So, ing, sing. So, ing, sing. Wing, ing, wing, ing, wing. Sting, sting. So, ing, sting. So, ing, sting. So here comes the word sting. string, string. String. So, string. So, string. So here comes the words king, ring, sing, wing, sting and string. These are the 6 words today we learned with ing. We are having some more words also which we will learn in our next class. Okay, because for every sound word we are having 5 words but we learn 10 words, right? So we will learn 4 more words in our next class, right? Okay, very nice. I can see many of my students are sending me the words. Your homework or school activity will be Tomoji. Don't be sorry beta at all. Don't be sorry at all because we are trying for our answers. Okay. So every time when you are giving an answer, that means you are trying, you are thinking for your answer, and your thinking is your activity. When you will think, you will, of course, absolutely you will go towards the correct direction. So thinking is our work, and if the answer is correct, it's okay, and if the answer is wrong, we will learn something. So don't be sorry at all. Okay, very nice. And yes, I can see all my students are showing their copies. Very nice, very nice. And you will learn these spellings, you will write them 2 times, and then after you will just repeat these spellings without seeing them. Okay, because after learning all the sound words, we are going to do one test on it, right? Okay, students. So I conclude my class over here. I will be back again with your new class. Till that time, bye-bye. Inakshi, all the first letters will be capital beta. Inakshi, all the first letters will be capital beta. Please rewrite your words. First letter will be capital. Yes, I can see Ayushman has written very nicely. Please put classwork date, each and every student, classwork date and heading. Very nice. Orijit, please put classwork date. Very good. Shumrik, very nice beta. Yes, good. Orgho has done very nicely. Brotin, please use 4-line copy for English. Use 4-line copy for English part. Very good. Nandini, you have started with your cursive. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Tishita. Thank you, students. Bye bye.